For this grand opening occasion, more than 10,000 veterans have joined to help us dedicate the only museum in America built in their honor.
We owe it to the men and women of the Second World War who did their best, whether on the home front or at the cutting edge of combat, to preserve and extend democracy when it was under the ultimate threat.
The world isn't just a better place because of what you veterans have done for us in the 20th century, but that the world is a place at all because you fought and sacrificed to save it for your children and for mine.